Hello and welcome to day 16 of Bedtime Welsh. And what have we had? We had fantastic picture from Idris. You liked that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to go and see that aqueduct? Yeah, we'll take you there. We'll take you there when we can start travelling again. And superb video from Jack. And Jack got the monster sentence.
Yeah.
Awesome. Do you want to say awesome, Jack?
Awesome, Jack.
Yay. And Jack wants to know who cut your hair and who cut my hair.
My mum.
Ma'am, yeah, Catherine did the haircutting, fair play to her, and thank heavens for that. Okay, cracking on with today, we've got a new word for you. The Welsh for to play. To play is chwarae. Chwarae. You can say it chwarae if you're being a bit more formal, but chwarae is what we say. So to play is
Chwarae.
chwarae. So I want to play.
Dwi isio chwarae.
Dwi isio chwarae. What was after that? Do you want to play?
Wyt ti isio chwarae.
Wyt ti isio chwarae? And then I want to play with you.
Dwi isio chwarae hefo chdi.
Dwi isio chwarae efo chdi. And last one for today. Do you want to play now?
Wyt ti isio chwarae rŵan.
Wyt ti isio chwarae rŵan? Da iawn. A hwyl am y tro. Ta-ra!